In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split view in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know how to view two parts of the same PDF side by side or one above the other so you can compare details, cross-reference notes, or keep an overview open while you zoom in on a specific area. Start with your PDF open in Bluebeam Revu. With the document on screen, we'll create a split so you can see two views at once. This doesn't duplicate your file or create a copy. It simply opens an additional view of the same document within the workspace, which is great for reviewing drawings, checking revisions, or comparing different sections without switching back and forth. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and select Window, then choose Split. When you click Split, Bluebeam will offer two layout options, vertical or horizontal. A vertical split places the views side by side, which is ideal if you're working on a wide monitor or comparing two columns of content. A horizontal split stacks one view above the other, which can be more comfortable if you're following a workflow from top to bottom, or if your content reads better in a tall orientation. Pick the layout that best matches your screen and the way you want to work. Once the split is in place, you'll see a divider between the two views. To resize the views, move your mouse over the divider until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to adjust the space. Release the mouse when each view feels balanced for the task. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can drag the divider as often as you like to fine-tune the layout based on what you're looking at. Each side of the split is fully independent. That means you can scroll, pan, and zoom in one view without affecting the other. For example, you might keep a full-page overview on the left while zooming in on a detail on the right. Or, in a long document, you can show different pages in each view to cross-check notes. This flexibility is the real power of split view, helping you reduce clicks and maintain context while you work. And that's it. Open your PDF, go to Window and choose Split, select vertical or horizontal, and drag the divider to resize the two views. With just a few clicks, you'll work faster and see more, all without losing your place.